I ran this one last year. Wait, was the Amtrak longer? I ran every single one of the Amtrak trains. It's not even snowing out. Oh,
Yeah. January. We'll need it in
they're
January.
long. Oh yeah, 3 of them. Come on. It sounded like it.
Okay, you want to see the time lapse?
Can I see it?
118.
Oh wow.
Probably not going to be very long.
Oh god.
I have 117 plus the box car, the
118.
N3